Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the finale for Deck of Panning. I cannot believe we have reached the end of the year. Yes, this project pan is only 11 months long, but I really enjoy having the very end of the year to kind of reset, shop my stash, start thinking about the projects and products I want to be panning in the new year and just kind of play around. So we are ending Deck of Panning and it is coming back next year. I am currently working on the 2026 game board. It will be the same link that I have saved in my description box already, the same link you've all been using, but there will just be a new tab with the 2026 game board when that is ready. If you have any last minute suggestions for prompts or face card ideas, remembering that those last for the entire year, so they have to be fan favorites, you can leave those suggestions in the comments below. I'm already loving all your guys' feedback. And if you want to join the Instagram group chat, just DM me over there and I can get you added in. I usually ask for feedback in there and we can just encourage each other, chat about our progress and our difficulties, all of the things. I promise to be more active there in 2026 now that my life has settled down a little. But really quickly, we are going to close out with my progress on my products. Nothing too exciting to share with you, but for the prompt foundation, I have been working on my ColourPop tinted moisturizer all year long. Literally rolled this in January and I have made a lot of progress on this product throughout the year. Since I last updated you, I've used it 16 times for a total of 82 uses. This does have 43 mils of product or 1.45 fluid ounces, but I feel like I am nearing the end. There's so much windowing happening here, and now when I pump it out, these edges here kind of like pull up as I'm trying to like pump it, and then it kind of settles in on itself again, but I'm sure I can finish this next year. For the prompt oldest, I pulled in my oldest lip gloss, my BareMinerals Trailblazer gloss, and I'm calling this quits. I'm going to declutter it. I've spent so much time trying to pan this. I saved it out of my 10 oldest cream and liquid products bin from last year, so this is super old and it's starting to gross me out a bit and I'm just sick of looking at it, honestly. I have worn this for a total of 52 days since I started tracking, which is quite a lot for a lip gloss, and for a lip gloss I'm not enjoying. I love the color of it. It's like this really warm orangey sparkly shade, but I'm just ready to let this go, mostly because of its age. It's just way too old and it's starting to gross me out. Even though it doesn't smell bad, it still smells like that minty cooling type smell, but it's time. One of my focus products for the year, the Too Faced Cocoa Contour. I'm trying to finish the shade Light Cocoa, and I have made incredible progress on this year. I'm at the point where I would like to repress this, and I will be repressing it in a different compact so I can get rid of this bulky packaging coming into the new year. I have reached for this powder an additional 23 times, and I've reached for this bulky packaging for a total of 188 tracked uses, and this does like predate my makeup tracking, so I feel like that's a lot of use on a product where I only like one of 4 shades. So I'm gonna be happy to let this entire thing go in the new year. Let me know if you want a makeup declutter. I'm not going to do a makeup declutter series where like you're seeing every product in my collection and watch me as I declutter, but I have already been pulling things out of my drawer that I'm ready to let go of and just have them set aside. So let me know if you want that kind of makeup declutter where like I'm sitting down and just sharing the things I'm getting rid of before the new year. I did roll in 2 new products last time and I had hoped to make more progress than I did, but here we are. For the prompt focus, again, I looked at my 25 items I wanted to pan in 2025 and grabbed out my Becca Champagne Pop highlighter. I just wanted to get 10 uses on this within the month and then roll it out. I am pre-filming this a little bit to be a little more fair to myself, but also I've already been kind of stepping away from my projects, if I'm being completely honest. I only reached for this 3 times since rolling it in, so I did not meet my goal, but I am working on another highlighter, which I will update you on shortly, that now I have met my goal on. So I'm going to be kind of shopping my stash. I will reach for this a bit more, and this is still going to be a focus product for next year because it is one of my oldest makeup products in my collection, but I did not meet my goal in this project. Lastly, I rolled in a palette for No Pan Left Behind, and I rolled in my Odin's Eye Christmas Eve palette. And again, I will be continuing to use this a little bit because it's just perfect for this time of year. I was going to try and do No Pan Left Behind, obviously, and I made an error in setting up my filming space and did not bring my No Pan Left Behind chart thing I'm working on, so I can't tell you which shades I've used. But I have used this to create 2 looks. One was blue, so I used, did I use the silver? I used these 3 shades on the top and these 2, I'm pretty sure for sure, at least this quad. And then I did create a purple look where I used these 3. So honestly, funny enough, the more neutral everyday kind of shades were the ones I didn't reach for in the last month, which is fine. I will reach for them still, but I was happy to have this out and playing with it. The blues really went with the blues I'm working on and Pan those eyeshadows, and I just felt really good. Even with the 2 looks I created out of here, it's better than 0. So technically I didn't meet any goals coming into the finale, but it is what it is. Once again, thank you guys so much for your support on this project pan. I will keep working on making it the best that it can be as long as you guys still enjoy participating. I will not be filming a how-to video for my introduction next year. I feel like I've just done that for too many years in a row, and I feel like everyone kind of knows how to play the game. And if they don't, I will link an older how-to in the description box, as there always is. If you are not familiar with the rules, but I just feel like filming the how-to every single year gets redundant since how to actually play the deck of panning game hasn't really changed. That's it. I'm gonna stop rambling. Thank you guys so much for watching this project pan finale. Please do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.